Hello everyone, if your Battlefield 6 keeps crashing when you launch it, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Battlefield 6 crashing to desktop with no error codes. So I'm going to show you 3 methods of how you can fix that. The first method is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here settings, you're going to go into system here, and then you're going to go into storage, and then you're going to go into advanced storage settings, you're going to go into storage spaces. Make sure you don't have any storage pool here. If you're using one, just disable it. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here Windows Security. And then you're going to go into App and Browser Control. You're going to go into Exploit Protection Settings. Go into Program Settings. Click Add Program to Customize. Click Choose Exact File Path. And go to your Battlefield 6 directory. And just add your Battlefield 6 exe, and then override everything and just turn everything off like this. Make sure everything is turned off. And once you're done with all of these, then you're going to click apply. You're going to click yes. You're going to go add program to customize again. Click choose exact file path. Add the EA anti-cheat as well. So do the same settings here. Turn everything on and then click off on here. And after that, now the third method you can do is you can open up your NVIDIA control panel. So just open up your NVIDIA app. And after that, you're going to go into graphics, and then you're going to go into global settings, and then you're going to click restore on here. So just restore everything from the NVIDIA app back to default settings, and that should fix your issue. Now, if you try to play Battlefield 6, you'll see that you won't get those crashes anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.